Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and for today, I'm going to show you how to easily make AI generated prompts using Midjourney in Discord. So as you can see, Midjourney is quite the powerful AI generative program in order to make really nice, custom, and high quality AI generated artworks. All it really takes are simple prompts and a little know-how on the command lines to know how to use Midjourney to create these awesome, amazing artworks. So, to start things off, we're going to use the /describe command in order to upload an image we wish Midjourney to use. Now, after giving it some time and uploading the image to Midjourney, the AI bot will slowly scan our image and give us options for the prompts to use in order to generate an image just like that one. Now, after giving it some time to generate some prompts for us, as you can see, we can either ask it to use one of those prompts to generate more images from, or even imagine all of the prompts available. So, in order to use one of these AI generated prompts from the picture that we uploaded, go ahead and copy one of the prompts to use. Then, we're going to use the command line /imagine in order to make the Midjourney bot imagine the said prompt. Now, go ahead and copy the prompt of your choosing, and there you go. You've now generated a bunch of new AI images using the prompt that the chatbot actually generated for us from the picture that we uploaded. Remember, you can use this tool to upload any image you want and generate prompts based on said image. And congratulations, you now know how to create AI prompts using Midjourney bot on Discord. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorial content. Leave a comment if you have any questions or inquiries, and thanks so much for watching.